Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be another PR unboxing. We are quickly catching up with everything because my pile is actually almost gone now, which is really good. I kind of fell behind there for a little bit, but we caught right back up. So everything that I show in this video will be linked down below for you guys. If there's any discount codes, it'll be right next to the link. Give the video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first off, we have a package from Jouer Cosmetics. I love their stuff. So they sent over a few little products here. So, oh my God, look at how cute this little mini lip enhancer is. Oh, I love that. I actually have one of these in my makeup bag in my car right now. I love adding these on. It's really hydrating on your lips, you guys. They are so good. I've never seen one this small though before. This is really cute. And then they sent over the blush. Oh, I love these. This is Uplift Me and Amuse Me. I think this is actually like my favorite shade right here. But these are so good. God, these are just like my must-haves. I use these on the cheeks and I use them on the lips too. It's a great multitasking product and it wears really well throughout the day. This is my favorite one. This shade right here is my all-time fave. This one, like on this side, I believe it's called Uplift Me. Yeah, the lighter one is Uplift Me. So it's so pretty. I'm so glad I have another one of these. And then also they sent over their Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in Wheat. Have I tried this before? I don't know if I have, but I gotta give this one a go. Oh, I think this one would be really good too for me because I don't like anything. I can't go too light and I can't go like too dark. I like things to be very brightening for me, and I think this one will work really well when I'm oh yeah, this will really help brighten up my under eyes. This will be really nice. I love to go a perfect like kind of shade lighter underneath my eyes because I feel like it really gives more of a youthful look and lifts up my eyes and makes me look more awake. So I love that. Thank you so much, Jouer. I really appreciate it. Thank you for restocking me. Okay, so next up I have a package from YSL. It says, get ready to turn on the ultimate shine sensation. Achieve glossy shine with YSL's Beauty's beloved Candy Glaze lip gloss stick, or opt for the wet shine with the new YSL Love Shine Lip Oil Stick. What? Okay, so I love the Candy Glazes, and this is shade 2 right here. Is the one that they sent over. These are the best. This is actually my favorite one because it's a clear one, and it makes your lips look so juicy. Love this. But they sent over this YSL Love Shine in 150 Nude Lingerie. Oh, so these are very similar. Okay, so I have these too. I love these too. Oh my goodness. Let me show you guys this shade too. I forgot what shade I have in my bag right now. I have a clear one, then I also have a tinted one, but I can never remember what their numbers. But these are amazing. I love these. They're very hydrating. They make your lips look really good. And I love always having these on deck. So thank you so much, YSL. All right, so next up we have from Glow Recipe is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. I have these already, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these ones in like a giveaway. I gotta do some more giveaways here because I definitely need to start packing some up. But I love these. So we've got the new ones, which are the Hue Drops. I actually have it open right here. But these look beautiful on the skin underneath makeup. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. But you can see like the glow drops right now are just so huge in. And you can just see this just blends beautifully in the skin. It gives you this beautiful glow. Super moisturizing, super hydrating. Perfect for that summertime. And it's just really gorgeous, like especially even if you're doing like a no makeup look, you can put this all over your face, add in some concealer to cover up any like, you know, like unevenness, and you're good to go. It just makes your skin look really pretty. And then they also sent over the Dew Drops, which are, these ones have a little bit of a tint to it and these ones don't. So it depends on what you guys want, but love them. Next up, I have a new product from a brand I haven't heard from. It's called NERRÀ, I believe is how you say it, but it's a body dry oil. Nourish, strengthen, restore. Oh my gosh, just look at the packaging, this frosted glass. So pretty. The scent is jasmine wood. It's 8 botanical oils, synergy, vitamin A, B complex vitamins, vitamin C, omega-3, 6, 9, and antioxidants. Oh, that sounds really nice. So it's a little bit of a spray, so. Oh my gosh. It smells so good, you guys. The smell is perfection. It's like, it smells like summer. That's what I just want to say. It's not like the super, like you can smell like a little bit of that SPF scent, but it's not like that. It's like got a little bit more of a floral into it to where it's just, oh my God, it's so nice. This is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. And it makes your skin just feel like silk. This would be really refreshing too. Let's say that, well, one, I would put this on before you go out swimming or anything because of the like the oil, like the shine that it gives. But it's something also I would put on like after you got out of the sun, just because it's really refreshing and cooling on the skin too, and it's very hydrating. If I didn't do my beauty summer must-haves, this is something that I would definitely add in right now because this is really, really nice. Okay, so next up from Pixi, we've got a cute little package here. You open up the box. So we have the Tinted Lip Balm, which is really pretty. You guys know I just love the pinks, like the petal pinks are the best. And then they also sent over their On The Glow blush in Floor. So these were really huge for a while. It was like kind of like a viral product that I feel like that went all over TikTok. But look at how pretty this color is, you guys. And we are definitely in a blush season. I feel like everyone's coming out with these blushes. Look how pretty that is. Swatch that. Oh, I love that. I love that. That is so pretty. Oh, thank you so much, Pixi, for sending these over. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this too. I've got a lot of blushes I need to be trying out and checking out right now. Okay, so next up from Function of Beauty, they sent over, they're introducing SOS Custom Repair, the ultimate SOS for damaged, colored, heat style, and processed hair. Oh my God, this is what I need. You get 2 times stronger hair, 90% less breakage. This is the shampoo and the conditioner right here. Definitely gonna try these, you guys. And then they also sent over this treatment too. So it's an SOS leave-in treatment. So after you get done washing your hair, you get out, you put a little bit of this in, run it through, and this will help treat it as well. So I definitely need to give these a go. I definitely have processed hair and I feel like it's been a little dry on me as well. So I definitely need to use something a little bit more repairing. So I'll give these a try. So thank you, Function of Beauty. By the way, they also come with these pumps as well. So it makes it a lot easier to get the product out. All right, so we got another Pixi package here. This one's really cute. Look at the box. How adorable is that? It is, ooh, fancy. So this is the antioxidant tonic. So it's a fusion of skin-loving Nordic superfood berries and a luxurious multi-use essence toner. So it's radiant revival, nature's nurturing embrace, gentle elixir. Oh, this is gonna really help Pixify your routine, they said. So this will be a good one to test out. And I love it that they sent over some of these reusable pads. I love these. These are amazing. And you know what? I like it the fact that they also put it in a little laundry bag, because I have a little hamper that's just for my towels that I use to wash my face with, because I use one every night. And I use these too, but they always get just jumbled in or get stuck on the towels. So it would be smart to put them in here while you wash them, and then it keeps them together. And also it would be really good to just for travel, so you can keep them all together as well. But I love reusable pads like this. They are amazing. So thank you so much, Pixi. Next up, we have a large package from Kiss. They sent over a bunch of their Rebel collection of their lashes here. So first off, they sent over 2 of their strip lash adhesives in black and the clear color. And then we have a big range of lashes here, which are really, really pretty. I love the wispiness to them. I don't wear lashes anymore because I do lash extensions. Honestly, I love lash extensions because it cuts out another like step in my routine so I can get ready faster in the morning. The next thing I really want to do is I want to get my eyebrows, like, was it microbladed or do the ombre? but I'm just so scared because I know it's like permanent, and I'm like, what if I don't like it? So I get really, really nervous about it, but that's like one thing I would really love to do so I don't have to do my brows anymore. But these are really, really pretty. Kiss has some really good lashes. So thank you so much for sending these over. I will make sure to put these in a future giveaway for you guys. Oh my gosh, Alani sent me the cutest tumbler here. Oh, I love this. I love the color of it too. That's such a pretty mint blue. Oh, so cool. I love that. We've got the straw here as well. Thank you so much, Alani. Oh my God, I'm gonna use this. The color is so, so pretty. Next up from Derma E, we have the Ultra Hydrating Serum, which is really, really nice, you guys. It's got also a good little pump to it. And then we've got their Ultra Hydrating Advanced Repair Night Cream. So this is gonna be a thicker moisturizer for the nighttime. And then I love these little guys right here. These are the Vitamin C Bright Eyes Hydrogel Patches. These are so refreshing underneath the eyes. I really love their vitamin C line from Derma E, but these ones, what I like to do is I like to put them in my little skincare fridge, so that way they're nice and cooling when I put them on. Next up, we have a package from YSL. Let's see what they sent over. Oh, this looks good. I got it, but they sent over Black Opium here. And let me see what the card says. It says the new cherry sensation Black Opium over Red, the latest addition to the Black Opium collection. It's got notes of juicy cherry, rich coffee, and warm vanilla, combined to create a long-lasting, warm, and spicy gourmand. Ooh, I gotta try this out. Oh, that one smells good. Oh, I like it. Because it's got the spice to it, but it still has that kind of fruity, like flirty scent to it, which is more of my scent. I don't like things that are too like masculine, you know? I like stuff that's a little bit more flirty, and that's what I feel like with this. I think it's the cherries that really help sweeten it up, but I really, really like this one. So thank you so much, YSL, for sending this over. All right, so we have another one from Pixi here, and this one is their Vitamin C collection that they sent over. So we have the Vitamin Wake Up Mist. It's orange blossom and citrus extract, energizing facial water. Oh, this would be nice to do. You spray this on your face to prime it before you put on your makeup, and it will give you that really pretty glow. Then we also have their Vitamin C sheet mask as well, which will be great for brightening. And then also their under eye Vitamin C brightener. Ooh, I love it. I can't wait to try these ones out. So thank you, Pixi. Okay, so next up from Jones Road, they sent over some products here. Let's see what they sent. This is a cool gloss in the shade Pink Gold Shimmer. Ooh, we got a pretty gloss here. And then we also have a mascara. So this is a Jones Road mascara. So I'll save this one for a giveaway because I don't use mascara anymore because I have lash extensions. But I will save this one for you guys. So thank you so much, Jones Road. All right, so Naturium just sent over some new products here, which actually looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I want to try these out so bad. All right, so this is Protect and Hydrate with a warm golden glow. So these are their new Dew Glow Tinted Moisturizers, SPF 50, in the shade Light and Medium. Oh my gosh, I have got to try these out. I always love getting some sunscreen, but to get like a tinted sunscreen is also amazing because it really helps even everything out. And I'm so excited for this. One tinted sunscreen that I love is that SkinCeuticals one. But let's go ahead and grab medium because usually I'm always self-tan. And honestly, I am self-tan, but I also am pretty dark right now too because of all the time I've been spending out in the sun. You got a nice little pump to it. It's very similar to the packaging of the YVES Cosmetics one. Comes out like that. Oh, this is gonna be nice, you guys. Oh my gosh. It really helps even out, and it's a nice color, and you got the sunscreen in it too, but it's like, it kind of reminds me, okay, so you know you have the YVES Cosmetics CC cream, right? So it's very similar product, but what it is, it's more of like a tinted moisturizer. It's like a lot, it is a tinted moisturizer, but it's a lot thinner than the YVES Cosmetics. So if the YVES Cosmetics one ever felt like too heavy for you, this would be a good one to try out. Because it evens out beautifully. It's a lightweight, but it's not like full coverage, which I love. I don't like anything too full coverage. I want it to be light on my skin. I want to be able to see like my freckles going through. So I'm excited about this. I need to give this a try. Maybe we can do a video for this one, but thank you so much, Naturium, for sending these over. Super pumped. We are definitely in the summertime. Look at how cute this package is, you guys. The little handle on the top, it's like a little suitcase. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is from Milani. So things got kind of moved around on the inside. Oh no, one of them opened. But I'll show you guys the stuff that, there's only one. It's like the blush stick that got broken and open, but it's okay. This is the Cheek Kiss right here. That's the blush stick that got opened. But we also, in here, we've got the Conceal and Perfect. Oh, these are little Sun-Kissed liquid bronzing drops. These are very similar, it looks like, to the Drunk Elephant and the First Aid Beauty ones that I love. And we've got like 3 different shades. Those will be really fun to test out. Then we've got the Luminoso blush, the iconic blush from Milani. We also have the, what's this thing called? The Milani Fruit Fetish. Oh, it's a lip oil. That'll be nice and refreshing. And then it's got, oh, this is so cute how they did this. They got all little cards in here too. Also, they sent over They Make It Last. This one is the one with the sunscreen in it. So it's a good like little setter that you could put over your makeup to set your makeup, but you'll also have an SPF. Then we got the SPF BFF, which is a SPF 30 primer. Definitely make sure you're putting on your SPF before you do your makeup. And also a waterproof mascara here. So these are all the must-haves for the summertime. This is so cute. I love this, Milani. This is really cute package that you did, and I can't wait to try out the products too. All right, so next up we have another package from Pixi here. And, oh, they sent over some of their Super Glows. These are brand new. They're on the Glow family. So they're just like the blushes, but they're your highlighters. Really, really pretty. We have 2 different shades here. We've got Gilded Gold and Petal Dew. Let's check out the Gilded Glow one. Same packaging as their blushes. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love the way that it hits. Like, it would be so pretty, like, you know, like on your cheekbones just to hit, or even like you could put it on your shoulders and add like a little bit of a glow there too. I think that'd be really pretty, just like a multi-use highlight product. So this is so cute. I love this. Thank you so much, Pixi. All right, so next up from Loccitane, we have, oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Aw, it looks like a little bouquet. So it says, oh, we got a lavender foaming bath, a hand cream, and a pillow mist. Oh my God, how pretty they sent over some of this lavender. They're pretty. So we've got the hand cream. I love their hand cream. Amazing. Then we have the, oh, the pillow mist top broke, but God, they must have been, I've been having a lot of things break right now in my packages. But this is the pillow mist right here. So you spray that on your pillow before you go to sleep. I'm gonna put that in my nightstand. And then this is the foaming bath. Oh, this sounds so nice. I'm going to take one of these tonight. A relaxing benefits of lavender from Hope Provence are captured in this rich formula that gently foams in the bath and leaves skin clean and delicately scented. Oh, I love that. I cannot wait to try this out. Thank you so much, Loccitane. Okay, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have some awesome new products to use and try out. I cannot wait. Everything that I showed is linked down below for you guys. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.